2016 to 2018 Chevy Malibu accelerator pedal replacement. So accelerator pedal, look at it right here on the far right on the driver's side, on the footwell. So let's unplug the connector. You pull that red tab out so you can disengage it. This one here. There you go. And there is a 10mm on that side here. You need to remove on this end here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, here it is. There it is. It's out. So let's remove the little pad to transfer it to the new one. So the reason why I'm replacing it, between 2016 and 2018 on the Malibus, there is a check engine light and reduce engine reduce mode where you can't drive the car pretty much and you lost acceleration, and there is a bulletin whenever you have that code P2138 to replace the gas pedal for it. I think it's covered up until 150,000 miles, and after that, if you pass that, you're gonna have to pay out of pocket to replace it. Okay. There it is. Let's put it on the new one. So now we're going to put it in, and it goes in. Here it is. That way. There it is. And let's put the connector back in. Wouldn't be you can see anything up there. So then we look at the connector. Instead of putting it on the side on the old one, it's on top now because they redesigned it to fix that problem. And it's in it, guys. And clear code, go for a test drive. It should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you the next one. I'll post the link in the comment section for the parts.